Would you like to show off a clean storefront but find it difficult to maintain? Whether it's a matter of time or ability, many businesses struggle to keep up with exterior cleaning. The challenges are numerous and ever-changing, which is why at Business Cleaning Solutions we came up with an effective and affordable new solution called Exterior Cleaning and Cobweb Removal. The idea behind this cost-effective service is to restore curb appeal to your facility. This allows your business to put its best foot forward with a clean, inviting image. The service begins with high dusting to remove cobwebs and debris from edges and light fixtures all around the building. Next, our cleaning techs will blow the sidewalks, alcoves, and doorways. Lastly, we squeegee clean your front-facing windows inside and out. The exterior cleaning and cobweb removal was designed to focus the cleaning to those areas that need it most, providing you with a high-value service that delivers immediate impact. Call us today for your free no-obligation estimate. As always, we're at your service.